Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jet Set Radio Future on Xbox One. First, understand that this game was originally released for the first Xbox console. Fortunately, your Xbox One console offers backward compatibility for a wide selection of original Xbox and Xbox 360 titles. It's always a good idea to confirm specific game compatibility on the official Xbox support page before you begin. To get started, simply insert your physical Jet Set Radio Future game disc into your Xbox One console's disk drive. Your Xbox One will then recognize the game and automatically begin downloading any necessary compatibility updates or data. Keep in mind that Jet Set Radio Future is not available for digital purchase on the Xbox Marketplace, so the disc is essential for playing this classic title. Once the disc is inserted and any required updates are downloaded, the game will automatically install onto your Xbox One's hard drive. You can then find Jet Set Radio Future listed in your Ready to Install section within your Games and Apps library. Simply select the game tile from your library, and it will launch, allowing you to dive back into the vibrant world of Tokyo-do. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your Xbox One system software is completely up to date. Outdated software can sometimes prevent games from launching correctly. Also, if your disk isn't reading, try gently cleaning it with a soft cloth to remove any smudges or dust. For more great deals and to check out those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy revisiting this iconic game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.